Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm here with Pauline today, who just had her floors done by Express Flooring. How you doing today, Pauline?
Pretty good.
Good. Here's a little kitty. So tell me, how was your experience with your design consultant that came into your home?
They were real good, very pleasant. They got the job done and
Oh,
and
great.
got out.
I see your floors turned out really, really good. And hi, baby. Hi.
I only have one spot, and I see this is right here.
Okay.
I've been putting a heavy horse on it, and this is
All right. So what I'll do is I'll put that in the notes for him, and then we can make sure that we get that taken care of for you.
well. I think I would keep tap on it maybe.
Yeah, and we'll like I said, we'll get that taken care of for you for sure. Okay. And then, how were your installers that came into your home?
How were the installers?
Yeah.
They were very good,
Oh, good.
very good, and a very good attitude.
Oh, good.
No complaints about nothing.
Oh, that's so great. And then, how was your overall experience with Express?
Very good.
Okay, good. And then, would you?
I like the material.
Yeah, I do. I really love
I
it.
love the coloring.
Yeah, I do like that. It turned out really, really nice.
I went to Home Depot and they couldn't produce this color.
Mm-hmm.
They were $1,000 cheaper though
Yeah.
for the same thing, but it were more of all this blonde,
Yeah.
and I didn't want. I said no, I want a multiple color.
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me. I said I already.
Then
have
I'm gonna
some.
get what I want,
I had you guys
right?
on hold, so I said
Yeah.
I'm going back and get what I want. And I thought they would do a better job anyhow.
Okay.
This Home Depot guy come in and he walked through. Nothing to it. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
He was out of
Yeah.
here. I don't think he was here long enough to really measure anything.
Measure anything, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, my last question: would you refer your friends and family?
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for having me in your home today,
I'll show you the
Pauline.
bathroom too.
All
I
right.
did a big bathroom. My bathroom. Who ever heard of carpeting in a bathroom? That's the way I bought the trainer.
Okay.
There's a woman here. Got these on her. He's kind of allergic
Ooh.
to the cat.
I like that.
That was all this. And I said,
Yeah.
that's gotta go.
Yeah, that's kind of strange when you got
Yeah.
carpet in the bathroom. Well, thank you so much, Pauline, for having me today, and you
You're
have a good
welcome.
day. Thanks.